So for Raman, all the best, Raman. I still remember you from the first day when you joined, the initial few months, and today. I think you've grown immensely. You've helped us grow our businesses. You've looked after the mandates very well, whether it was Naukri, whether it was Jeevan Sathi. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best. We will always miss you. You'll always be part of our family, and we'll always welcome you back with open arms. God bless you.
Hi Raman, good luck for your future. Stay in touch. It was a pleasure working with you.
Hi रमन, हेलो, ठीक लग रहे हैं ना?
रमन सर
क्या नौकरी नहीं मारने है क्या?
हाँ, एक्चुअली दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया. जितने पीजे इन्होंने मेरे को मार मार के सुनाए हैं पिछले 1.5 साल में, आई थिंक आई डेवलप्ड द पीजे genre of jokes purely as a defense mechanism against Raman.
Let me tell you, they were bad teachers, Raman.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, Raman, we want to tell you, they
guys
were
have
bad sense of humor.
Yes. देखो अब तो सबने ऑफिशियली बोल दिया, अब तो मान जाओ.
But that's okay. I'll thank you for the PhD you gave me. I am now much more enlightened than what I was before I joined InfoEdge and before I
Basically,
joined the
she now
gang.
also believes in छोटे मोटे काम.
Yeah.
नहीं
बड़े मोटे काम. Nisha will be always remembered for her मोटे काम. Yeah. So yeah. But we'll miss Raman.
Of course, the chai, the coffee, the songs, the music.
And I'll miss
I think
my
it's an endless
only
list.
Bihari companion. Yeah. Who understood my words and who understood the meanings behind them and the special food and also, yeah.
And I will maintain that you're a copycat. You have stolen my entire playlist. I will continue to maintain
Seriously?
that.
Those
Yes.
bad songs are from you?
No, bad songs are not.
Now we know.
Did you find out?
Now we know.
Kunti mein khadkao, Raja.
Now that is our title. Oi, oi. Now you listen to all the shady numbers, but we will definitely miss those numbers and we'll miss all the fun. You've always been there as a friend, as a brother, so you know it's going to be a great loss for me at least. I don't know.
For all of us, I think you've been a great mentor, guide. We've all looked up to you. You've got you.
Raman, thanks for introducing a new word in our dictionary, that is
Jai Bhadragali.
thadi.
Oh,
Thadi
yes.
पे जाना, चाय पीना, and of course जय भद्रकाली.
Jai Bhadragali.
जय भद्रकाली.
No, you have to fold it better. Okay. Like that?
Like this.
Like that. Yeah. Jai Bhadragali.
Yeah. Girl power. And we'll miss the bread butters.
Yeah.
जो हम थड़ी पे जाके खाते थे. चाय, पराठा, unlimited paratha supply.
Yes.
And yes,
lots of
and the
things.
girls in the office will miss the
Of
Excuse
course.
me, which department can we specify?
HR department. What
By
will
the
the girls do?
अभी भी हमने देख पकड़ ली थी, इसके साथ बैठा हुआ था, ठीक है? So don't try to fool us now. We know who you like and who you have a crush on. So don't try to fool us. कड़ी चावल खाए?
नहीं, ये बैंगन का भरता ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है.
चोखा.
Oh, yes.
Sorry, my bad.
Okay, signing off.
Bye. All the best.
भाई बहुत मिस करेंगे तेरे को. From all your shady songs. that you
शाम को
play.
7 बजे शुरू होते हैं, उससे पहले नहीं.
मतलब गोविंदा और किस के पता नहीं, मतलब हाँ 7
और
बजे से
भाई,
वो
अगर तूने सीआईडी नहीं देखा तूने कुछ नहीं देखा.
पता नहीं, मतलब चाय सुट्टा से लेके जो दुकान चलती है ना, वो सारे वीडियोस की वो रमन की वजह से चलती है.
और साथ में कुछ चखना ना हो तो मतलब
चखना या मखना पता नहीं, सारे गाने से लेके सब कुछ मतलब. And I remember all these T-shirts with all those messages. You don't see them generally otherwise.
एक उसकी टी-शर्ट थी जिसमें ना they were all smileys and there were 2 of them right placed very you know बिल्कुल ही सही जगह पर placed.
Censored. This is censored, boss. I mean, I know the Backstreet Boys will miss the Backstreet Boy. I mean, the original Londa gang. बहुत छटनी होती जा रही है आजकल, लेकिन फिर भी ठीक है. There are new ones around. Raman, best of luck wherever you're going. I mean, I think we can take this
Yeah,
down now. I mean,
काफी हो गया.
हाँ बहुत हो गया. But
थोड़ा साफ कर लिया करो यार इसको. Sorry.
All right. So good luck. All the
On your
best,
way.
Raman. I think you will get a lot of formal send-offs
Yeah.
and everything.
This
from-
can be as informal as it gets.
Yes.
We didn't want to do a formal thing. So,
But भाई anytime wherever you are, just do remember us. और 7 बजे बाद प्लीज दूसरे लोगों को मतलब कभी भी परेशान करने के लिए
नहीं, please do that. Please continue what you have been doing. Let also
Do send us
let others
links.
also suffer. But
Yeah,
please, yeah.
point. ठीक है.
All the best.
Sign off.
गो रमन सर
हाँ जी बहन जी
99 के लोगे
हाँ
जीवन साथी के लोगे
हाँ
नौकरी के लोगे
हाँ
क्या
एक्सपेंस समरी शॉपकीपर अरे वो निकाल लिया है मैंने आ जाओ
Raman, thank you so much for all your help during my last year here at InfoEdge. With all the bills, with Comscore, with other small things that I would come to you asking for your help with. You were always extremely willing to spend your time and I really appreciate that. Best of luck for everything you do in the future and I'm sure you'll do very well.
So,
Abhishek, you might want to.
so Raman, he is wishing you all the very best, man. Best luck. Best luck. Best luck.
Hey Raman, all the best for all your future endeavors. Wish you lots of good luck and God bless you. It was nice knowing you in such a short.
हाँ जी सर, आजकल कौन सी लड़की डेट कर रहे हो? DGR, ये लड़कियां वड़कियां ना मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। और खास करके ये आप लोग जैसी, हम लोग जैसी मतलब वो लोल, OMG, ये सब मेरे से नहीं हो सकता, ये नाटक वाटक। ओके। रमन यार प्लीज अकाउंट में ना वो वाली प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, उसको देख लेगा तो प्लीज ठीक से। मेरे पास 1 हफ्ते के लिए बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है। अरे डीजी सब हो जाएगा, छोटा नहीं यार, बड़ी बात सोचो, बड़ी। डीजी चलो नीचे पराठे खाने चलते हैं। मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ मेरे बाप, मैं डाइटिंग करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ और तू मुझे पराठे खिलाता रहे। अरे यार लाइफ इज कॉलिंग डीजी, वेयर आर यू? तो सर जी लाइफ इज कॉलिंग and I'm sure you're going to it very soon. I wish you all the luck, lots of challenges and lots of successes in all your future endeavors. Lots of love to you.
Hi Raman, I just wanted to say thanks to you because you have provided me a great support when it was much needed even before joining the InfoEdge. I still remember the day when I called you that, hi Raman, I've got an offer from InfoEdge, so what to do? Should I join it? Should I not? Or should I join it or not? Then you have taken me through the real picture that this is the way how InfoEdge, then this is the culture and all those stuff, and I'm really grateful to you that you said yes to that and I've joined InfoEdge, because if you would have said no at that point of time, I would have joined that organization, and yeah, I've learned a lot from you and definitely from the company, and that credit should also goes to you. So thank you yaar, thanks a lot for all your support. And I would like to say all the very best to you, and I know you will do well wherever you go, not in the company but definitely in your future so thank you yaar. And one more important thing that I would like to mention here, that please don't change yourself, be the same cheerful Raman. All the very best. Thank you.
The fact that Anisha called me up on Friday evening, or rather messaged me on Friday evening and said that Raman is leaving and we want a farewell video for him, and that gives me some high that I am still being remembered by somebody who used to work with me. I used to work with them. So thank you, Anisha. And coming back to the man of the moment, who is Raman here. Um, this guy, as you everybody know, is like, you know, the Robin Hood, or rather the Casanova of the team. Of course, I don't know what all he's done, but he's a good guy. He works great. He has a great performance in terms of what he's done for Naukri in SEM and other things that he's worked for. I'm sure SEM is nothing without Raman for InfoEdge, I believe. I mean, you know, I've seen him working day and night just to get what's right for the organization. He's worked relentlessly. He's been very professional. This is one part of him. The other part of him is the professional part. The personal part of him. He's been one of those great advisors, those great friends, who's helped out everybody who's in need, or even when you're not in need, he sticks by the friendship and what he said, what he'll do, what he does. So great to have you around, buddy. And I know you all are waiting to have your snacks as a farewell gift, and all handing over the farewell gift to him. So all the best. SEM is not going to be again. I'm saying this again. SEM is not going to be the same without you. SEM is going to miss you, I guess. And all the best for your future endeavors. And God bless you. Bye bye.